foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today we are going to make a simple sabzi, but that is restaurant style. So we always have lady finger or bhindi in many different ways at home, but let's try this restaurant style bhindi do pyaza. I used pearl onions and long bhindi or lady finger or okra as you can call. So let's start with the recipe and let's see the ingredients. Alright, so let's see what all the ingredients we need for bhindi do pyaza. So I have cut about 4 cups of bhindi. I washed it and dried them on a towel and then cut it. So cut the two ends of the bhindi and then do it that size. Then I have pearl onions. I have taken white pearl onions and some of the pearl onions I have just cut it in half and then removed the onion petals. And I have some onions just like this. So that's about one and a half cups. And for the gravy we need half cup of onion, 2 chopped tomatoes, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. For garnishing we need ginger juliennes and coriander chopped. Of course, for sauteing we need 3 red chilies and some lemon juice and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In the dry spices we need cumin seeds, turmeric, red chili powder, salt, cumin and coriander powder, then raw mango powder, it's a dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon of besan, which is gram flour, fenugreek, and masala. So let's start with bhindi do pyaza. About 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add the bhindi. We are going to fry this bhindi for about 5 to 6 minutes. We are not cooking this bhindi thoroughly, just going to saute it until the color turns slight brown. Add some salt, pinch of turmeric powder, and some lemon juice. I've taken 1/4 of a lemon. Make sure you have this bhindi sauteed on a high flame. Alright, so in and about 5 to 6 minutes on high flame, I'm sauteing this, and as you can see, the bhindi is turning slightly brown. So this is the time to move it to the other pan, and the same process we are going to shallow fry the pearl onions. Again 1 tablespoon of oil, high flame, let the oil heat, and add the pearl onions and the shallots. Just for about 2 minutes until you see the golden brown color on the pearl onion. Alright, so as you can see, within 2-3 minutes you see the onion turning brown, and alright, just like so. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to keep it aside. Let's get our masala or gravy ready. It's not going to be liquidish. gravy here, but we're going to saute onion and tomato really well. So add about 2 tablespoons of oil here. Add cumin seeds. I've taken 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili. There are 3 of them. Saute it well. If you do not have red chilies, you can add green chilies. Red chilies gives beautiful flavor and nice color to the gravy. Okay, time to add ginger garlic paste, onion, once onion is translucent, we are going to add tomatoes. Right, time to add tomatoes. We are going to saute the tomatoes really well. While adding tomatoes, I'm going to add salt, let the tomato and onion cook really well until you see the oil is oozing out. So keep sauteing it. Okay, so my tomato and onion, they are now soft and cooked enough to start with the other ingredients. So I have 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. There are a couple pinches of turmeric powder. We are going to add garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Coriander and cumin powder. This is 1.5 tablespoons. Amchur powder, which is dry mango powder. This is 1/2 tablespoon. This is gram flour, 1 tablespoon. Just for that binding. Let's mix this well. Let the gram flour cook a little bit in the tomato gravy. Just so our spices won't burn, I'm going to add couple drops of water. Maybe 1 more tablespoon, just so. Let it cook really well. Let the oil ooze out. Keep sauteing it. Once you see the oil is oozing out, you are going to add the fried onion and bhindi, and we are almost done. Mix this really well. Alright, so in about 4 to 5 minutes, let's see how it looks. Look at this, beautiful. Let's saute it well. And last key ingredient is kasuri methi. I've crushed this kasuri methi and some salt to top it up, just to get that restaurant flavor. Kasuri methi is a must. Beautiful. If you can check the bhindi that it is cooked. Yes, it is not mushy, it is perfectly cooked. And our bhindi do pyaza is ready. Let's garnish this with some coriander and ginger julienne, just for that beautiful flavor of ginger and coriander. Saute it well. Alright, let me put it in a serving bowl. Beautiful, chatpata, flavorful bhindi do pyaza right here. You see how easy that was? Very chatpata, spicy, restaurant style bhindi do pyaza is ready, and you can have this with roti or fulka or naan, and with beautiful flavorful bundi raita on the side. This is perfect meal for us, and this is amazing the way it tastes, because it has like flavorful spices and tangy flavor of tomato and lemon and mango, dry mango powder. So perfect dish for a perfect meal. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and if you have not subscribed yet, please look at my other recipes and try to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.